they leave him, then later we go and arrest him at home.
Breaking news. I'm immediately say ni padodo na ebisa driver ni a wode track ekosi eye railways yi mu ema train yi ko crash ye ebisa se owo henfa ebusua ensem abetodwa yemfa bi enso mo ye nyina tete ya na ehu se eye train bi a chese ye chirema na ado na ede eko edi free eye Poland ebedu my Ghana mu ana chese omo ye train yi ehu entoto ye na train yi de odisi kwan so am chese pilot no echi no enesem ye se eye track bi ekosi kwan ni mu na obi enim kwan krefa so am track ekosi kwan yi mu sansem yi katachi free friday ne nsema to dwa wo ho Captain Smart so nsem bi eba beto so a wono so echi mu a tactics a ekoso nyina oye awe na busia se si ankasa de baby a driver ni ewo na ye de eba beso mo na before that no yenti de katachi fifa eka ye ba ye bebo modern ne ye de details ni nyina asomo
New Academy ewuramu ewo Northton Old Academy pesem ho na and then near Kia track free here registration number GS 9018-20 and then ejremu say walodu blocks bi a wakoyi e bi agu ekro bi so a oba na opese of fast train kwan so esoro o say ya under bridge bi oba ni nim de ba yin ti driver no pese obefa ho a o ye say o cross railway line so top and the ejremu a odu ho na ne tank no etwi fa lines ni bi so a e ma car no etim ho a entimi mfo tina oko akota amanfo abama matimi adeboa no mama yes ho nti coincidentally Samuel na ne train aso anu a je free tema eko mpaka dan a ene etwifa track so ama make the track ne dey ayam bebe ama ho scraps na abe
railways na yaye no track ne so wo bo railways na tra
yes
ana ne tank twifa meta na so
na yes ama etimiye
ana etimiye and woja ayi no wokwan ayi railways ne kwa
oja wo so pepe
wo fa railway ne top
no ne inskomo a eyewitness for what ta kru ba bi asemi si potin ye fra ho abotia mo nim eye Old Academy ene Drapon Northton no echemu aho na jesa asemi esia wanwa pa na ye chemu kra overhead wo ho anka ebetimi aba se obetimi abe fast ye nenso ye nim de esi ye nti a okofa sa top ho a ene amasa to ye nchemi esi.
There is something fundamentally wrong with the minds of the people. Anyway, a sheer negligence. Somebody must go to jail for this. You must go to jail because I didn't see you several hundreds of people and only babako or negligence and we don't even punish people for such things. And you see, we as a media dear chida near the Nipana court. Court were jailing and court must jail you so bad that it would deter others.
You see, baby Edwin, I think the na yemfiase mom beto hom. Eto hom they will set up. Nana, they will set up. They will set up.
This very person, or yes, I do. The nation must jail the person, and it must be very deliberate. So, be jailino. You must because I do. Several hundreds of people.
No, said your parking.
Yes, deliberate. Bonnie is underlining Yagre. Bonnie is underlined, and you see, I didn't know minim where we got.
I did there be and say me no nya mama baako ba papa baako banti ne obeye bia say yekra ese me ka senye yes we nana
it's we kwemu look at it more social media more TV no look at it where be sure say camera na wo way train mu ni twa sa shorty
like seriously.
The camera in the train is what took that shot. Look at this. Look at it. You look at it. Does this make sense?
And the way you be answer some push it.
No, in the first place, which logical human must be able to even think of say me
so what the car no that maybe so no also do obe peja swadia atwam and say no
as a country we must come together and say we need a dictator who does not care about some na muye no radio so na you see
seriously
we akauche na in the public well no mumfa mo civil right ni human right ni sem funu ne nkonko to baby
na lawyer na kasa
lawyer na ye de bayi
Okatechi Afrifa ena yete ne nka no ono de anka o chiremu pa de a anka esese driver ni ye chi no na ye gu ni impre ankasa enu twemu ayemfa no enkotwe aban kokomu na jese onko na onkotwa emfie bi ewo aban kokomu abusia Katechi Afrifa den sim wetu jewie no Captain Smart so de ibi eka ho yenkotie no mraye ba baby potie ya se driver ni owo anasumpu kwan a aban ede ne fa so no so no ye de ebesom obi aka ho
mo train no me hear speech statement na the Ministry of Rails and Deben for actual na mesre me sit that trade no e ya chede Ghana ba yentua kapres o mo tisika kodi o mo ye mema o mo publishing receipt say train no o mo ton say hwe producer fat that track bi na esi kwan no so no bra esi rail no so no bra why they quote as a picture no who say car we see we which say we your official picture yes she dan you try yo picture we no wo mo ye dan no mo say esi kwan no so and o mo twi try answer train ni kopem tio ade e kwan bia nda ba bia train ni fa so ba ho e car no fa so ba ho efuto kwan ye da ho yi eti truck driver no ono akoya no sheda obi kan yo book off no ko park wo so in any case one no mo ye test no test rails no one no mo test say keteke kwan ye papa no one person mo ka kire me say o man timi amfa kwan no so ehu say bibia na so a ye na enim say the train or free na oba ponko abodam ni wura ne de omo odam bi eti one na o mo ye sa test no locomotive test no o mo say o man kwan no so ahwe ehu say ade we esi ho they are where o mo ni mo sheda on say o mo de abetum so o mo kwaje insurance o mo kwaje achedi o mo sheda train dada na ya ti pentagu no ma sheda ade we yakosi ho na pan na ya san kwaje ska train na aircon hwe train na pampa be ma train electric train mu da e wo France trema train we me say ye dada o mo mpe Poland fo ne mpe o mo yego o mo mpe bola o mo mpe be bia sesa kwoto agu cause o ma ye foforo e na o mo de ama Ghana free ade we anto o de we o mo sa twa video no o mo ka say ye kwala ate pan ya ti kota agu train na situm de on person mo che ina say mo ntwen obi di car kosi ho ma train na kopem eti no ye ho adwuma ade we e be di 6 months ana 3 months wo de ban 4 months aka kra ye kwa koto aba no no ma sheda sa di train na kosi kwan no so na ya ka tell say o train no ye adwuma say de ye nso ye gimi ye de beto aba
Ponkwa botama mira na say omodem
ade eti yen hwe de yo hwe car ye si ho track ye si ho eti won wa omo so omo ye adwuma o Ministry of then omo say railways and harbors so harbors and railways so omo so omo nim nyansa say ya ade we ye si ho na omo ye de na omo testing rail no hu say papa say train ni betumi afa so eti obiya hu na car we si ho na ye si train akobom na Ghana fo age de say nipa boni fo bia fa nkosi ho e ya lo ade we omo nim omo sheda e na omo train ni de ko hwim cause train pa ahwe saade we mke memunumuni me na me ka cho se train hweade we mu a anke be munumuni ba train de fro ne ketua bi wo munim ti break no mu tietia so tietia break ne so tie duru ho apan ketua bi na huri tena so ye se ya ye train no akopem ka ebe ye Ghana aya na ma se ye jimi ho on se train no wo hwe part say train dada hwase na wa ye no hwe ne kala ka bi eni ho a ase emono no eye colored ni na ye black tuntum na ma dada we na wase ho no mantimi inspire so dada na ayi atse nipa takrama na aba no mantimi inspire so train we dada e wo Poland dada na wakoto ade e wo Lionel ho laptop wa order laptop Apple me di fi abrochire di abrel wo laptop no tonsuo mu na sey ya wo se me ne Apple company e pese ye ka say obi di car kosi kwema trainer copy na wakoto ade wi a woni manufacturer no wodai afa na abeka chem say manufacturer no wo insurance manufacturer no wo den mo ka say concept for ni gukruma oh yenim de akonyina ade bia mo ye bia no yenim
After 3 when my brother came to me that he was passing through the the under bridge where the railway is. So he found difficult of passing there. So after he passed there, then he's going to offload the blocks. So after he's done with the blocks, then when he was coming back, he was not able to pass there. So he have to turn back. Even though when with the block, when he's passing there, you see a scratching under the bridge. Yeah, so after the discharging of the blocks, he's trying to pass there back, but the car was torn now. At first, the car was down, so he was able to pass there. Then he take different alternative that he will take to the railway, the top of the railway. So he passed through the railway and he started. So he said he need jack to jack it so that the car can move quickly. So even though he was coming with the jack, then he heard that the train smashed the car into pieces. So this is what we heard. Station to lodge a complaint, official complaint with the driver. He was arrested. He was arrested. They leave him, then later we go and arrest him at home. Yeah. The railway authorities should look at it very well too, because development are going on here, big one. So they should help us to get a road to those sites that we can go. So big cars, tipper truck will be coming here. So we beg them that they should create a good route for us so that the big cars can be able to come. I'm not aware. I'm not aware, boss. Yes.
If you were aware, what might have happened? What would you have done in case that your vehicle broke down? What might you have done?
Oh, we should have taken it quickly. We are not aware. We are not aware. Yeah. Can't even pass. Not even pass there. We are not aware.
Okay.
Politics. Don't do politics. It's sabotage. Yeah.
So it is not a sabotage.
I'm not doing politics. I am a business man. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm not a politician.
All right.
Yeah.